This tractor needs a good cleaning. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I can't wait for you to see the result. I got this tractor a couple years ago and it was in rough shape, and I painted the hood and the wheels and cleaned it up, and I like to keep it clean. So here we go. And of course, we always want to wear ear and eye protection. Before we get started, it's critically important to select the proper tip when you're pressure washing. You go too aggressive and you're going to peel paint, or if you're working on concrete, you're going to take the cream coat off the concrete. For this tractor cleaning, I'm going to use the white tip. Coat of wax. She is all cleaned up, ready to put back in the barn. If this video was interesting and a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to helping you with other projects online.